Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Netflix app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Netflix app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this. And after searching it, you will then see this website on your screen. So on this website is where we will download the app, so just go and open it. And after that, there it is guys, you will now see the download button for the Netflix app, so just go and click it. And then the installer file for Netflix will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you can now click the install button. And after that, Netflix will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done, congratulations, you will now have your Netflix app installed. So just sign in or create your Netflix account and then you will be able to use the app to watch the shows you want. And by the way guys, if you want to add Netflix to your desktop home screen, simply click this 3 dots at the top. And then select App Settings. And then for the last step, just click this Create Desktop Shortcut button to add it to your home screen. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Netflix app on your desktop home screen, so you can now access it more easily in the future. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.